Hello friends, welcome to our channel Minka's Diary. Today we are going to learn about sedimentation by doing an experiment. So first take a container, put some sand, pour some water and shake it for a while. So don't disturb that for some times. After that sometimes you can take and see the sand is settled down. That process is called sedimentation. Sedimentation is the process in which insoluble heavy particles in a liquid are allowed to settle down at the bottom of a container. Next, pour some oil. And maybe you have a question like why oil and water is not mixing, because the water molecules attract each other and the oil molecules stick together. That causes oil and water to form two separate layers. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this video and you can try that experiment at your home too. Please comment. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.